So if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. I am back from my 2-week hiatus. No, obviously I didn't go on a hiatus. I've just been really busy with work and just have not had time. I know I make excuses, yada yada yada. But anyways, we are here. We are back in the shop now, and we are putting on a performance oil pump on the D series build. I know a lot of you guys have been wondering what's going on with this. Is it still around? It is here, and we are going to work on it. Somebody randomly sent me this in the mail. It's a performance oil pump for a D series. I don't know who did, but thank you. You didn't put a name on it or return address. So if you are watching this video, thank you very much. If you guys saw a little while back, I had a modified oil pump that I was going to use. Made the video, that way I could just use it on this car. But somebody sent me this, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. From what I was always under the impression is the spring was just a little tighter on these, but actually there's a lot that's different from the race one versus just modifying one on your own. So we're going to go ahead and get it on. It is a Z6 one, because you can tell because of the dipstick, which shouldn't matter because this engine is a Z6. I'm just going to have to use this dipstick port here instead of having it blocked off, but it should go on with no issue. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Bam! There it is. It looks nice and black and shiny. You can see inside here the port is obviously this pickup part right here is a lot smoother than the normal one. So there's definitely some things just looking at it you can tell it's different. It's actually probably made a little bit better too. Inside here, this port here is smaller too. I'm sure that's probably what helps raise some oil pressure as well. So overall, looks pretty cool. Knowing what I know now about these, I'll probably order these for all of my other builds later down the road. But first off, let's put it on, try it, make sure it works before we say that. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get her on. This surface here on the block, you just want to make sure this is really clean. Get this as clean as you can. Then we're going to put some RTV over here, and then we're going to shell it on. Do make sure that you get the gasket in. There's a gasket right here, like a little O-ring that goes in there, so make sure that's in place. Also, you have a gasket for your pickup here at the bottom. I was looking at my pickup over here, the one that came on the motor, and we are not going to be using this because I don't know if you can see on camera really, but there's a whole bunch of metal shavings in there. It's going to take forever for it to get out, and then I don't want to run the risk of it clogging up again. So we're just going to go ahead and get a new pickup. I might use the pickup off this motor. I'm pretty sure it fits. It does fit. I'll probably use that one once this motor's blown up, if there's no metal shavings in it. But anyways, we'll figure it out. Those things are pretty easy to find. These D16 motors you can get pretty much anywhere, so not really worried about that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get that on. I want to give you guys a little bit of update on the single cam, or the single jingle turbo. This motor, I have the 1000cc injectors in here, and it is being a pain in the ass tuning them. Just not fun to tune with, and the idle is crap on them, complete crap. So I'm gonna be taking those out. I'm gonna be throwing some better injectors in there that are a little easier to tune. But yeah, that was kind of a kick in the balls. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. What do you expect for $100 injectors? So they looked like they were shooting good. The uniformity was good on it and everything, but they're just idle like crap. But anyways, so we'll have to get some better injectors. So let me stop talking and get this oil pump on. All right, and we are complete. Next thing I just need to do is obviously get the cam in. That way I can set the timing. Then we can get the crank pulled on. Obviously we need to put the water pump in too. And I'll probably come back sometime later this week and get the water pump in. But that's gonna be it, guys. Like always, thank you for watching. I'm gonna be messing with the single cam a little more, the stock single cam. I need to get better at clarifying which single cam I'm talking about. But anyways, the stock single cam, I'm going to be messing with that here shortly. I'm going to probably make a video of it on 10 pounds once those new injectors come in. Then I'm going to start doing like 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds. We'll see how long it lasts before the head gasket starts separating or starts blowing the head gasket once the head starts separating from the block. But it's going to be cool. It's going to be fun. But like always, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.
So if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.